This is the CMC Connect Volatility Report. Despite yesterday's mixed US inflation data, Wall Street equity indices ended the month in a somewhat upbeat mood. The smaller cap Russell 2000 index was again one of the more active indices, trading in a range of around 1.5% as eyes moved towards two-year highs. One-day vol stood at 28.22% against 22.52% on the month. Sugar prices were also active, with contract expiry and a slide in the value of the Brazilian real, both seen as contributing here. The underlying sold off markedly as a result, falling to its lowest level in more than 6 weeks. One-day vol stood at 57.65% against 42.74% on the month. The Japanese yen has been in focus, with risk-on sentiment detracting from the currency's safe haven appeal. Even if it is likely to be bucking a trend when it comes to monetary policy tightening, as other central banks look to ease off. Yen crosses dominated fiat currency activity on Thursday, but it was euro-yen that stood out, printing 8.11% on the day and 5.99% on the month. And in crypto, activity remained elevated too. Bitcoin tested fresh two-year highs, with one-day vol of 67.49% against 41.39% on the month. But it was Dogecoin that was again the outlier. The underlying added as much as 15% at one point, pushing daily vol to 210.42% against 79.98% on the month.